Hey, you guys. Okay, so I did a call last night and I had someone ask me about a business phone number. Okay, and they were interested in using a whole nother number. And, a lot of times I know you don't want to use your own phone number, right? So on this video, I am going to be talking about how you can get a free number and use it for your business. Okay. So the way you do that is actually going on your phone and downloading Google Voice. Yes. So go to your app store in your phone and you can download Google Voice and you can get a Google Voice number and actually use that number for your business. It is free. It's completely free. Okay. Um, I don't see anything wrong with it. I never use my Google Voice number. I actually have two of them, but I never really use them like that. Um, because I have two phones. So that's me. But for you, if you only have one phone, you can use a Google Voice number until you can do better. Okay, so of course, once you start to graduate in your company and you want to go up a notch for a better service, something they do have grasshopper.com, but you do have to pay monthly. Not sure how much the price is. It may be like 39. Don't get me lying, child. I can't remember the prices, but grasshopper.com, and you can even get a number off of Ring Central. Now, all of these platforms, you do have to pay a fee for it. That's why I say in the beginning, when you don't have any contracts helping you pay for these numbers, I would say go with the Google Voice number. The only difference in that number is in the beginning, the operator will say, what does it say? The Google Voice number. It will tell you to say your name, and then it'll say the Google Voice number is connecting or something like that. Anyway, it still works. And then it will alert you and the person will say their name and you just either you have the choice to send them to voicemail or pick up the phone. So you have to do this on your phone too. I had to mention that. You really can't go on your computer and do it. It's best to do it on your phone. Download the app on your phone. If you go on the computer and you type in Google Voice number, I believe it will prompt you to get a business number, and then you have to pay some type of fee for it. I think that's how it goes. So you have to do it on your phone if you want it for free. All right. That's how I did mine. And I got two Google Voice numbers. I download the app and it's really simple, really easy. You can even pick the area code that you want your number to be in. So it's really cool. So I highly suggest that you use it. I don't see a problem with it. If you're looking for a business number, try Google Voice. Google Voice. Okay. So until next time, I just wanted to drop that quick video on you guys. If you're interested in having another number for your company, this is free, completely free. Google Voice. Okay. I'm out of here. Bye-bye.